manually gated car where you can hear the clicks going through the selector. It's very different from all the other air-cooled 993s that I drive, and it's actually quite intoxicating. Click, click, click. Finally got to the car shop. It's super close to the house and the car shop's kind of full, but we will be getting down the 570 so that we can rack the car later on today. Got a few checks for the car, clearing out some spots. Morning everyone and welcome back to GI Automotive. Today is a bit cold and not so sunny, but later on today it should be sunny. Today we are servicing this Ferrari F430. It's going to have a preventive maintenance and also a few basic checkups. Check engine light also came on, so we're going to be checking that, changing the oil, and hopefully our order for the Novitec Springs arrives today so we can lower the car just a little. Ooh. I see faults everywhere.
Coming to a website near you. Super clean, super fun. What do you think?
I love it. Just going up and down the gears is fun.
Sounds so good stock, but
this isn't stock. This
Really?
is stock.
That's gotta be stock.
I know the headers have been done.
Really?
They're 5-speed headers.
So all this is
That's what they
The
converted, the
shifter
shifter cables. And filter comes out here. Car already has 5-speed headers with wraps on them. This is our oil filter that needs to come out. Okay, that looks dirty.
these buttons are so slow.
Just had a massive shipment from Novitec. Thank you so much. Got some parts for the Pista, and I have springs for the 430. Also some springs for the Pista as well. So these are the 488. This is the 458 Speciale. And then I'm guessing this is my exhaust system 488. Hey guys, so we just finished doing the oil change and service and preventive maintenance for the car. Tomorrow we'll be lowering it on the Novitec Springs. I can't wait to see the drop. But for now, we're gonna cut the vlog here and continue again tomorrow. Guys, welcome back to GI Automotive. It is a rainy day today here in Los Angeles and we are back in the shop. Here are the Novitec Springs. Thank you so much, Novitec.
Oh, look at that.
Front shocks were relatively easy. 2 bolts here, 1 bolt down there. Spring comes out from the bottom. Novitec spring now on. We don't know the ride head, so we're keeping it standard first. And then this is gonna go in last. After that, the rear looks much harder. rears are in. So we ended up cranking the car unevenly. The front was really low, and now we're doing some minor adjustments. Ryan and Jose fixed the ride height. We put about the 2-finger gap front and back. We're gonna drive it around now and visit the guys down at Brixton. We're just down the street over there.
Well, that was productive.
Yeah.
I love those guys. You know why?
Why?
They're Canadian.
Bias.
Yeah.
But got my render and I absolutely love the wheels.
Ooh.
Thank you, Cody. Now we're back to GI.